We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your drum on a Brother MFC-7440n. So, first thing first, this printer takes a DR360. In order to reset your drum, you have to have this front cover open. So go ahead and open that and then leave everything in there and press the clear back button. So the printer, it says replace drum. 1 for yes, 2 for no. So you're going to go ahead and hit 1 and it says accepted. Once it has accepted it, close the front cover. Then your drum will reset itself. Your printer should initialize. Then you should be good to go. If you're seeing any issues with your printer, maybe it's time to bring it in for a service. Or if you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.